Okay, just wanted to show everyone how serious I am about my tool collection when Snap-on when you pay a lot of money for them. I might be leaving today for Colorado. Well, actually, I am on the flight this afternoon around 3:40. But hello, Simon. I just let him in from outside. Anyway, I wanted to show everyone. Most of the stuff I leave out is stuff that's either Craftsman or Harbor Freight, and everything's been cleaned. One of my things is I don't believe in putting away dirty tools, and got a key right here. My mom has the other key. She also has a spare at my house, but she doesn't want to come over here. But I have my toolbox right here, vehicle right here. Nothing left outside except for china parts and rags and stuff like that. And the cat's out there in the garage. I don't know what he's doing. So anyway, this stuff is just stuff I got at Fry's Electronics, Harbor Freight, or other places like that. But made sure and double checked I went through my tools. The only one that's missing in here is one that was missing when I bought the set, but made sure that everything's clean and in its place and accounted for. All the tools in there, they all have slots and stuff, and everything has a home. A couple of tools, a few minutes to find, had to go upstairs and get them or look under the car. And all my sockets are there. All of my wrenches over here accounted for. It's quite a bit since I last saw you there. And let's see, I also have my brand new pry bar set in there, the 40-degree offset pry bar for doing brake calipers, my two giant half-inch ratchets and breaker bar, seal pick tools, brake CV boot band clamp for putting these band clamps on here, and my 4 ratchets, which came with the free set. Got my serpentine belt tool, the drive belt tool that does air conditioner and water, and straight power steering pump, and impact extensions and rail extensions. Matter of fact, the only one that's missing is actually a 1/4-inch, 4-inch extension, but I can live with that. I'm sure I haven't lost it. It's probably at my desk somewhere. I don't have time to look for it right now. Got my 2 expensive Whopper tech wrenches there. My ball peen hammer and my 3-piece soft face hammer set that I bought from I bought with the 3/8 impact. This is just nothing but plastics. The bottom here down there is empty. And over here I have my screwdriver set, my first purchase, for putting in when you rebuild engines, putting in pistons. This is a tool for popping out plastic grommets in the inside of the upholstery of cars. And I got most importantly, my air tool set. This is about $1,500 worth of tools in here. The cordless impact, the 1/2-inch impact, the 3/8 impact, the MG725 and MG325, and this is a high-speed ratchet. It's a 3/8 air ratchet. And then I have my soft case in here. And lastly, before we go, I have all of my chemicals in here. And most importantly, you never know who's going to be in here. You got a bunch of Mexicans working in this place for maintenance, and people who are quitting and stuff. And you never know what's going to happen. So my theory is, well, before you leave, lock her up. This way, if maintenance does happen to come in the garage to do something, they can see it, but if they get anything that's stupid, it won't be amount much. So anyway, gotta go. I'm gonna finish packing and head out. Alright, later.